going on, guys? Patrick here with Window Tinting Business. If you're charging for film based on square footage alone, there's a really good chance that you're paying out of pocket on every project. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I calculate the real film cost per project and exactly where shops undercharge, where they lose tens of thousands of dollars per year. We're only focusing on film costs in this video. Not labor, not overhead, not profit margins. Those all matter, but if you're wrong on film costs, nothing else fixes it. This is the internal process that we use so that we don't hemorrhage money on material. We do roughly 400 installs a year. If you undercharge film by just $50 to $100 per job, that's $20,000 to $40,000 per year that you're paying out of pocket. At best, this process helps you break even on film. At worst, not doing it is why your business feels busy but broke. I already have a residential project pulled up in Tint, 47 panes, 636 square feet, SolarGuard CX50. First thing I do is open the cut optimizer, because guessing is how money gets lost. Next, as a professional shop, we're working with 48, 60, and 72-inch rolls. We don't splice unless we absolutely have to, meaning the glass is larger than 72 by 72 inches. Anything smaller should be done in one piece, period. So first I check the measurements. If nothing exceeds 48 by 48, then 48, 60, and 72 are all options. Now we let the software do what it's designed to do, compare waste. 48-inch roll gives us 11.6% waste. 60-inch roll gives us 21.7% waste. 72-inch roll gives us 23% waste. Waste equals wasted money. Yes, you can save scraps for future jobs, but buying extra film today, hoping to sell it later, is not a strategy. In this case, 48-inch wins. Least amount of waste and the lowest cost. This project requires 726 square feet of film to cut out. A full 48-inch roll is 400 square feet. 726 divided by 400 means I need 1.81 rolls. Here's the reality check. You can't buy 1.81 rolls. SolarGuard sells cut downs in 25-foot increments, so I have to round up and buy 2 full rolls. Now I go to the manufacturer price sheet. I'm not sharing pricing, yours will be different, but let's just call it $1.50 per square foot. 2 rolls at this width equals 800 square feet purchased. That's the number that matters, not installed square footage. If you're not tax exempt, add tax. If there's a cut down fee, add it before tax. In this case, the real film cost is $12.84, which I round up to $12.85. That's what the film costs me, period. One thing real quick, never break down material versus labor for a customer. The price is the price. Internal costing protects the business. Customer pricing protects the relationship. Here's where money gets lost. Mistake number 1, charging only installed square footage that ignores waste completely. Mistake number 2, charging for square footage plus waste, but forgetting taxes and manufacturer fees. Mistake number 3, charging what you wish it costs instead of what you actually have to buy. In this example, undercharging costs anywhere from $85 to $331 on one job. Now multiply that by 400 installs a year. $331 loss is more than $132,000 a year. $196 loss equals over $78,000 a year. Just missing taxes would cost $34,000 a year. This is how businesses bleed without realizing it. This isn't about being greedy. Sometimes the goal is not making more money, it's not hemorrhaging money. Film cost is just one piece of the puzzle, but if you get this wrong, the rest doesn't matter. I hope this helped. If it did, hit like. It tells me to make more business breakdowns like this. Subscribe if you want real-world tint business content. We'll see you on the next one.